It's not 249. It makes a huge difference because at 238 you can attach a small accessory like this lens hood and you will still be below 250. This is key. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Daniel. Today I want to talk about the lens hood for the Mavic Mini or the Mini 2. There are three things I want to cover. First, why would you want to fly with a lens hood? Second, we'll look at the flight stability. And then a big warning about the weight. For some of you, you have to be careful about the weight, and I'll get to that in a few seconds. So first of all, this is only $10 US on Amazon.com. Between 10 and 15 on Amazon.ca, a bit more expensive in Canadian dollars. The one I have here is the original. If you look at the design, it is very similar, and I'm going to show you with the light reflection here, very similar to the latch of the existing lens or gimbal protector. So it fits perfectly. So this is the no-name one. It says original on Amazon. But after I bought this one, PGYTECH, which is well known for quality of their product for DJI drones, they also make one. $10 US, same price, but $15 Canadian, $5 more than this one. So I would also like to try the PGYTECH one day, but I highly recommend it. So before I try flight stability and we talk about weight, why would you fly with this thing? If you are the type of person who flies the Mavic Mini or the Mini 2 and unfortunately you crash like often, on the grass, in bushes, I would say for 10 bucks, this is a must. This is going to protect your gimbal from, especially from bottom up and side collisions. Even forward a little bit, if you get into a tree, the way this is designed with a bit of luck, you are going to hit the branches with the two sides over here and not bang on the gimbal. Now, my warning about the weight. Okay, so guys, you have to be careful. Let's turn this on. You know that the Mavic Mini is 249 grams, okay? This thing is 4 grams. Let me redo this again. 5. So it's between 4 and 5, basically. So let's 5 again. So let's say 5 grams. So if you fly your Mavic Mini with this, you exceed the regulatory minimum in many countries of 250 grams, meaning that your mini drone has to follow the same regulations as this monster Phantom 4 Pro or the newer Mavic 2 Pro and Mavic 2 Zoom. So this little thing here, same regulations as this one, so same limitations. So basically it's not helping, right? Now if you have a Mini 2, it's different. I forgot to mention that this comes in this little box over here. So, and it says, the one I got, the original, as you can see here, it says BRD-RC. So that's the brand on the box and made in China. The Mini 2, without the lens protector for packaging and transportation, is 238 grams. And I said that when I did my review a few months ago when the Mini 2 came out. And many YouTubers were just saying less than 249, or some of them were saying 249. It's not 249. It makes a huge difference because at 238, you can attach a small accessory like this lens hood and you will still be below 250. This is key. So now with the Mini 2 and this lens hood, you can fly without a permit or a license, which is the case in most countries. So now let me put the weight scale on the side here. We'll just turn this off. Now, like I said before, the way you attach this is the same as the hood protector or I should say the gimbal protector that comes with the drone. So all you have to do is the right orientation here. So the clips go, I'm going to show that over here maybe. The clips go up here, and then at the bottom here, you can see here the bottom, it's the same design, and click, just like that. Look at that. So like I said at the beginning of my video, if you crash like sideways into a branch or a bush, this will protect your gimbal and your camera. Even like I said, head on, it will provide some protection. So very, very nice. Now let fire this up. I'll get my transmitter over there, and we'll see if we get any changes in the way that this will behave in air, because you have here 5 grams more in the front than the stock drone. So we'll see if it makes a difference. All right, I have my transmitter here, I have my phone, everything is all set. So we're going to take off. I have enough clearance, of course, so let's go and see. Going to go down, you can see the camera over there. Okay, so I don't have a lot of room here, and it's a bit noisy, but you can probably hear me. Really, like I don't see any changes in the flight behavior. You're adding, like I said, 5 grams at the top. No change, really. So let me turn this off here. So guys, I know it's a little flight here, but I really don't see any difference in behavior or flight characteristic with this little hood, which adds only 5 grams at the front of the aircraft. So like I said at the beginning, be careful with the Mavic Mini or the Mini 1. This will add, you will exceed, I mean, the 250 grams limit. With the Mini 2, you are fine to go. Highly recommended for $10 US, really. It adds protection if you're a first-time flyer also, regardless, or if you're good or bad, like if you want to fly the very first time, or maybe your second and third flight, you may want to have this extra protection for only $10. So guys, let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great day. Goodbye.